College Univibro, jingpyntip nam ta Khubor Laitkam, hagi ophis pher tegi don kumba kendai Tylli ki post balaj hagi jong ki office South League ni balaj advertisement for work in interview kabade ban shulek interview bejarang advertisement for work interview office of the superintendent engineer PHE Western Circle Nongstoin member secretary DWSM JJM West Khasi Hill District invite eligible candidate to attend the walk-in interview for the following contractual post. Kedi contractual, tiga dan South Tylli post kebalat kedi hapok Nongstoin. Name of the post technical assistant vacancy for pay 30,000 fixed per month. Type of appointment and period. Take appointment kene on contractual basis up to 31st March 2024. Hadu live hoiterik jong manaj arja arpsau. Qualification kibala apply kile belong BE and BTech in civil engineering with minimum 1 year's experience in water sector and possess computer knowledge and handling and management of data analysis. Tepla pidon ikini qualification pila late second interview. Ka date of interview when they khadoi tarik jong mana October arja apply. Time of registration 9:30 to 10:30 am. Time of interview 9:30 am onward. Place of interview office of the superintendent engineer PHE Western Circle Nongstoin kede hapok Nongstoin PHE Nongstoin. Interested candidate should come with standard form duly filled with up-to-date CV and 2 copies of latest color passport size photograph along with original 2 copies of certificate in support of age, educational qualification and works experience extra. The applicant must provide a valid email and contact number. Devan I kita application form jong phi ba pandap akatu kasni ban interview hi pandap yo contact number but email ID. The above qualification criteria will be adhered strictly, and if anyone does not fulfill the claim fulfill the qualification in shall reject by direct, they will not be allowed to appear in the interview. All aspiring candidates must appear before 10:30. Haswa ha shpo shitang a given point, and thereafter no one will be entertained. Kenam sha shu ya kata ka shpo shitang sejrong kenam sha shu. The second mau ki badon ya ka qualification ki la ban apply nam tak ni South Tylli post on contractual basis. SR Tylli pada kene pada kedai nam taka National Health Mission Office of District Medical and Health Officer District Health Society East Janji Hill District clear kene depok clear East Janji Hill District kene mau post ophthalmic assistant NPCE for implementation of National Health Mission in East Janji Hill District man implement kene NHM for East Janji Hill District. The office of the district DMHO on the District Health Society East Janji Hill District invite application for eligible candidate candidate of the contractual 11 month which is renewable upon satisfactory performance can renew pada lalaki page ka biang garkom tere ke jong phi name of post the ophthalmic assistant and PCE R Tylli ki post kane monthly remuneration as per NHM te ki balong qualification bada qualify Bachelor of Science in Optometry lane diploma course in optometry from a recognized institution. Desirable familiarity with computer and internet use, minimum 2 years of work experience in related field. Place of hosting adalah East Janji Hill District. Applicant should apply in standard form along with attested copies of academic and professional qualification, proof of date, SCST certificate baro ki general kambaro haban apply. Duly attested adherent contact detail, PDMI contact detail, mobile email address baro PDMI should be clearly written on the standard application form. The last date to apply kene kadai 19 October 2023 till 5 PM. Kan mawa ke office kadai pihak DMHO District Health Society is Janji Hill District Riyadh dia pok Riyadh kan mawa kita boleh apply. Date of written test interview will be for the shortlisted will be intimate. Nda pila ada submit pada kin submit AP lala kin pai ke written ne kin I direct by interview ne kin submit AP. Tapi kita kamera kan mau kita submit pada pindra pada hak date of interview lada kin I daka interview direct. Desa kan mau kita kiba don qualification kiba kuat apply nam ta kini ki post select ek baron kam. The sakawai pada ka post hang pada application invited for post counselor nam ta counselor for 6 months dan robanai with experience of 1 year on outsourced contract basis at the consolidated salary of rupees 28,200 per hajar aspa shibanai per month. Qualification dengan postgraduate degree in field psychology, applied psychology, psychotherapy, and clinical psychology or equivalent from any recognized institute with a first class equivalent grade. Contact number SSO Maulai Muri tel airo contact number ada pidon gene qualification ko apna apply new ru r khandai new drill sau not drill from 10 am to 5 am ka last date khandai tarik jom October arjar apply tiki badan gene ka qualification ko apna apply sa shu contact we number blab ai hang ni tes artali ki post ki dei jongka apo MPSC as artali pada ki post ki balai ki dei apo MPSC te ki don artali ki post ka last date kan dei arfanyo tarik Oktober arjar apply tela dan qualification ko apna apply sa apply nam takini name of the post kan ka way ka don tangka way ka post communication officer in the office of the principal regional health and family welfare training center under the directorate of health service the MCH and FM level 15 of revised pay te ka number of vacancy kan tangka way kan yo tang ki khasi jantia ka one post nam tai khasi jantia kan te ka barang ne ble social science instructor in the office of the principal regional health and family welfare training center under the directorate health service ka ju hi kan dan tangka way hi jongki khasi jantia te ki bala apna apply qualification nam ta kan ka communication officer in the office of principal the candidate must be a master degree in mass communication and information from any recognized institution and a university dimen dep ya ka master degree nam ta kan ka post ka bar bade social science instructor kidem long no the candidate must be at least second class master degree in social science and a social work or education with experience in teaching or social work including family planning. Person having special training in family planning is preferred te namta ka jingtip ba khamne phila ban la pok official website jong ka MPSC namta ka jing siu e bro ki ju hi ki jing siu kum no kor kum apply kum ju hi te tangine ki jingtip khulish bon